If I was gonna get into wholesaling real estate with $100 or less, here's exactly what I would do. And by the way, you do not have to spend the $100, so basically, it's free. Okay, so step number one, what you're gonna wanna do is figure out how to pull county data and code violation data from the county that you want to market. The county data you're gonna wanna pull is gonna be pre-foreclosures and tax delinquencies. Go call the clerk of the court or whoever it is in your area and ask them how to get that data. Next up, you need to go figure out how to pull code violation data. You need to go find the homes in the county with active code violations. Step number two, take that data, organize it, and go pay to get it skip traced. If you go get 1,000 records, that's gonna be about $100, and I have 1,000 potential prospects to reach out to see if they wanna sell. Now, if you do not wanna spend the $100, you can manually skip trace one at a time with Fast People Search or True People Search. It's just a lot more time consuming, but if you wanna try and really save money and cut costs, do it the manual way. Step number three, I'm gonna sit down and call all 1,000 people until I've spoken with all of them and see if they'd like to sell. If they would like to sell, I'm gonna run my numbers by doing ARV times 0.75 minus repairs, make them a cash offer, get the property under a contract with a purchase and sales agreement that you can get from Google or a local attorney. Then I'm gonna have my cash buyer lined up that I got from Facebook, PropStream, or Zillow with recent flips. I'm gonna send them an assignment agreement, assigning it for a $10,000 to $15,000 wholesale fee, take those two contracts, bring them to a title company, get it closed, and get a check in my account. If you guys want to learn how to do that more in depth in the next 30 days, message me the word freedom on Instagram and let's get you started.